Hey, what's up everyone? Hope you guys are all doing good out there. So in this video, I'm going to talk about exactly what's going on as far as, case counts and the virus itself and how it may affect the stock market. I'll also give you guys, what plays I made last week in preparation for the potential events that may happen in the stock market next week. Before I do, just want to let you know that I'm not an investment or financial advisor, and these videos are for entertainment purposes only. Also, guys, go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so I got this article pulled up. Basically, it's basically saying that states may roll out restrictions ahead of Thanksgiving, right? So, virus case counts have been surging for the past few weeks. And as you can see, over 68,000 are hospitalized, right? So across the country. So this is more than at any point during the pandemic. So there's two things right here. So one, I do think the stock market has kind of adjusted to the case counts and testing itself. So basically what I mean is that the stock market we saw last week, it was completely reaching all-time highs. Granted, it was due to Pfizer and the vaccine news that they had, but also I do think it's kind of ignoring that people are contracting this disease more and more, right? And case counts are at record high on a daily basis. So due to that, I think there will be a scare next week and a pullback in the market. So we may see one or two or multiple red days, or we may even see an overall red week. Let me actually pull up the VIX right here. So what I did in preparation for something like this, because I do think we're gonna have some sort of sell-off. So this is the volatility index, right? So I usually play this if I do think there is going to be volatility like we had in the past month due to elections. So VIX was around at 27, almost reaching $28. And this $27 was the peak, right, in the past month during the elections, right? So as things started to get more and more clear, and the market went on and adjusted to the possible election results, either way, the VIX started to go down, right? So less volatility this past week. As we can see, it was basically below $20, most of the week, right? So I'm basically saying that, hey, next week we are going to have a pullback, which is why I scooped up these shares, right? So this is one play that I'm doing. And like I said, just going to wait for this to go up to maybe like 22, 23, maybe 24 if things go pretty bad in the market. And then I'll go ahead and get rid of these shares, right? So this is one play. The other play that I made on Friday, just to protect myself from a market sell-off the upcoming week, is get into the stock ticker HIBS, right? So this is it's an inverse S&P 500 high beta bear, right? So basically this is just saying this is 3 times the exposure, and when the S&P goes down, this stock goes up. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So back in March, when we had the big crash, this reached like an all-time high at $63, right? So obviously it's to only like less than $3 right now. But what I'm saying is, even if we go back in the past month, it was around $5, $4 or $5, right? So I scooped up 950 shares. So even if this goes up by $1.50 or $2, I'll make anywhere from $15 to $2,000, right? $1,500 to $2,000. So that's kind of what I'm saying may happen. This is an extremely short-term play that I'm doing because stocks like this, they do trend downwards, right? So not gonna hold this for very long. I am down a little bit on it, but I do think if we have some sort of pullback, this is gonna go up by at least 75 cents to anywhere from $2. All right, so I'm in on this play, and I'm in on the VIX, basically saying that the market is gonna see a red day this upcoming week, right? So those are my two plays. Now let's just look at the S&P 500. you know, it did reach an all-time high at 360, a little over 360, right? So I do think the market is slightly overbought, and with everything going on as far as increased case count and potential restrictions, you know, state by state, I do think there's going to be some sort of pullback just because people are gonna be just a little scared of investing this upcoming week due to everything going on, even with the good vaccine news, right? So when the pullback does happen, you know, obviously this is why I got into these plays. Like I said, these two plays are very short term, possibly this week. Maybe maybe I'll hold on to it if we do see more of a bear market, but we'll see how the week goes. Definitely want to know what you guys think about these two plays that I got, or any other plays that you guys are invested in. Just go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Other than that, thanks for watching.